Do you want your home to stay clean and tidy, but finding the right vacuum feels like a challenge? There are hundreds of models on the market, each claiming to be the most powerful, smartest, and most convenient. But which one should you trust? Don't worry. In this video, we've selected the best cordless vacuums that combine real power, smart technology, and maximum convenience for you. A device that automatically detects different floor types, tackles pet hair without getting tangled, and operates quietly. Plus, it's cordless with a long-lasting battery life. Now, let's dive in and find out which one is the perfect fit for you. Number 5. Black & Decker Power Series Extreme. Look, my friend, if you're someone who loves keeping your home clean, then the Black & Decker Power Series Extreme is going to be your biggest helper. It's nothing like ordinary vacuum cleaners. This is a true power machine. Let's be real. Who actually enjoys vacuuming every day? But this device makes the job so easy that vacuuming might just become your new favorite hobby. With its powerful brush roll, it digs deep into carpets, finding and eliminating every dust particle. Thanks to its 3-speed modes, whether it's hardwood floors, carpets, or even your couch, cleaning is no longer a problem. And here's the best part. Cordless design. No more dealing with tangled wires. You can move around freely and reach any spot with ease. Plus, with a battery life of up to 55 minutes, there's no need to rush through your cleaning. So, if your home is drowning in dust, this vacuum is here to rescue it. Black & Decker Power Series Extreme. Keeping your home spotless has never been this effortless. Number 4. Miele Triflex HX1. Dear cleaning enthusiasts, get ready to meet the Miele Triflex HX1. Imagine vacuuming without dealing with cords, without feeling the weight, and reaching every corner effortlessly. With the Miele Triflex HX1, this convenience is now a reality. It has 3 different modes. Use it as a handheld vacuum, a classic upright vacuum, or adjust it for maximum portability. Its modular design adapts perfectly to your comfort. With its long-lasting battery, it can run for up to 60 minutes non-stop. That means you can clean an entire home on a single charge with ease. Plus, it features a high-performance filtration system, making it completely safe for allergy sufferers. And most importantly, premium German quality. Not only is it highly functional, but it also looks stunning and feels luxurious. With a device like this, vacuuming isn't just a chore, it's a whole new experience. Number 3. Shark Stratos Cordless IZ862H. When I think of home cleaning, the Shark Stratos Cordless IZ862H comes to mind. Nowadays, choosing a vacuum cleaner is no easy task, right? One lacks power, another has annoying cords, and some seem to struggle to breathe after just a few uses. But the Shark Stratos? That's a whole different level. With Duo Clean Power Fins technology, this device cleans carpets so deeply that they look brand new. It also vacuums hardwood floors and tiles flawlessly. Thanks to the self-cleaning brush roll, hair and pet fur won't get tangled. A game changer for pet owners. Forget about cordless vacuums that lose power after just 10 to 15 minutes. The Shark Stratos Cordless runs for a full 60 minutes non-stop and features Power Boost mode to deliver extra power whenever needed. Simply put, this vacuum thinks for you, works for you, and delivers perfect results. If technology is meant to serve you, then the Shark Stratos Cordless IZ862H is an excellent choice. Number 2. Dyson V11 Animal. Want to make your cleaning routine faster and easier? Then you need to start with the Dyson V11 Animal. This isn't just any vacuum cleaner. With its powerful suction and smart technology, it will leave your home spotless. This vacuum automatically detects the type of flooring and adjusts its power accordingly. More suction for carpets, less for hardwood floors, ensuring maximum performance. Great news for pet owners. The high-torque cleaner head and enhanced suction power remove even the most stubborn pet hair in seconds. Plus, the HEPA filtration system cleans the air and traps allergens, making it perfect for allergy sufferers. With up to 60 minutes of powerful, uninterrupted cleaning, it can handle even large homes with ease. The LCD screen provides real-time updates on battery life and cleaning modes. If you want a dust-free, pet hair-free home, this is the vacuum for you. Number 1. Taneco Pure One S11. Meet the Taneco Pure One S11, the vacuum that brings a new perspective to cleaning. Do you think all vacuums work the same way? Of course not. Thanks to iLoop Smart Sensor technology, the Taneco Pure One S11 automatically detects dust and dirt, adjusting its power accordingly. That means maximum cleaning efficiency without wasting extra energy. Its powerful yet surprisingly quiet motor lets you clean comfortably and peacefully. Plus, with its cordless design, you can easily reach every corner without any hassle. With up to 60 minutes of battery life, you can clean large areas on a single charge, and the LED display keeps you updated in real time on battery levels and operating mode. If you're looking for not just cleaning, but smart cleaning technology, the Taneco Pure One S11 is the perfect choice. Please like, share, and subscribe.